Hey guys, so welcome back. So today I bring you guys this look here, more like of a glam natural look. It's really good for the summer too, just if you want to look a little more glam. So I created this look with the Too Faced Peach palette. It smells amazing. So let's get on with the look. So I'm starting with a light concealer and I'm just going to be blending it and setting it with this RCMA powder. I'm going to be using Candied Peach and Caramelized. I do want this eye look a little darker, so I'm going to be using the Shadow Puree and Caramelized, making sure to blend these two together. I'm going to be going in with White Peach and Peaches and Cream, adding this to the brow bone and blending. Once I'm done cutting my crease, I'm going back in with Puree and I'm going to be adding this to the outer side of the eye. Then going in with White Peach on the other side of my eyelid, making sure to blend where these shadows meet. Now I'm going to be going with this glitter stick. I'm going to be adding it where I put the White Peach shadow. Making sure to blend this really good, and then I'm going in with the same shadow on the cut crease line and under my eyes and adding some liner. So I did go ahead and do the rest of my face off of camera, and I'm just going to be adding some highlighter here and then just some setting spray. And voila, I am done with this look, guys. I hope you guys like it. You guys could go ahead and top it off with a different lipstick. I decided to go nude just to keep it more of a soft glam. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.